Okay, hello everybody. Today for my EME project, I've decided to make a PowerPoint quiz all about Moore's Law. I am in EME 2040, section 797. Question 1. How many years does Moore's Law state it takes the number of transistors to double? A. 4 years, B. 1 year, C. 2 years, or D. 5 years. Question 2. True or false? Boost sector viruses, logic bombs, macro viruses, and email viruses are all types of viruses described by Moore. A. True, or B. False. Question 3. What does social engineering mean described by Moore? A. The process of sharing information. B. The process of being hacked on an account containing personal information. C. A virus that occurs on your computer after you have been hacked. Or D. The use of social skills to form human interaction to enable those to reveal sensitive information. Question 4. What is the name of the company that is most famous for computer processors? A. Intel, B. Microsoft, C. Apple, or D. AMD? Question 5. What year was a computer transistor created? A. 1940s, B. 1850s, C. 1950s, or D. 1920s? Question 6. Two benefits of Moore's Law was that it was blank and blank. A. Bigger and cheaper, B. Faster and cheaper, C. Cheaper and smaller, or D. Faster and smaller? And then here is the answer key. Number 1 was C, number 2 was A, number 3 was D, number 4 was A, number 5 was C, and number 6 was B. And then the last thing were the references that I used.